DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Since we kind of closed off the week and last week's performance was not the best, but it's also like not the worst, like just 4% up. It's cool. It's cool. The week prior actually, especially, was like 21% down. So we've also seen like a decent increase in prices from the beginning of the week. For me right now, all I really want to see is a second break above 33.02, and only then I'll be really interested in buying this. But if I don't, then you bet that I'm not gonna buy. Like, all I'm sticking to is something that I've refined over 31,000 videos, and I've documented everything. So, well, yeah, that's exactly how DJT is gonna look like. Other than that, if I don't see that double break, then I'm completely disinterested. So, yeah, let me know what is your opinion on it. I want to see a 1 hour second like full candle close above 33.02. That's it. But if you want to learn how to trade stocks full time in 40 to 70 days, click the first link in the description.